Sometimes you have to wrap something that's not your typical box. Entou Tsutsumi is a way to wrap something cylindrical, and I'm going to show you how to do it with the easy steps. I'm using the Tulip on water print from our garden collection. Lay a furoshiki with the printed side down and turn it diagonally. Make sure one corner is facing you. Place your item in the corner close to you and roll it all the way to the opposite corner. Take two remaining corners and bring them to the center. Cross and twist these ends and turn over the wrapped item. Make a bow. Adjust the bow and make it pretty.